Hello and welcome back to Destination Modified. Why the f are you in my face? Anyhow, we are in Moffat today. Very exciting. So we supposed to have an Evo. I don't know what I'm trying to say. We're supposed to. What the f am I saying? An Evo was supposed to be here as well, but the cunt didn't turn up. Chris is a d***head.
Kelvin,
we've all
think about
established
the editing. How much time you could save?
Yeah. I heard it broke down. Nah. So Chris is a beep. Right,
yeah.
Okay? So.
Boy's nervous because there's a female.
Why are you videoing me?
Yeah.
I'm getting videoed twice.
Beep.
So we've got Mark's Subaru, we've got Callum and Shannon's Polo.
Shannon's
Polo. And my S15. We're going to go a run to St Mary's Loch, get some footage and stuff. Shannon is going to be our designated filmer today.
I'm driving.
Absolutely is.
Yeah, wee dog.
So if the camera.
Mate, you didn't even mention Axel.
Axel.
Wow! Wow! Stop recording.
So basically, we're going to go run to St Mary's Loch, try and get some footage of the cars. But yeah, we'll catch you when we're. Well, I'll do a little time lapse of whatever footage you get.
We better leave Shun.
Shun. Better get there, Shun boy.
Hey, come on, Carl. Where are we?
Loch, Scenic, Greymare's tailmate.
Is that right? Anything else?
No, that's where we are.
You're actually hopeless.
Let's take one, though.
You know what I mean? Makes no sense.
So, time to go along that road up there and then head to
Where
St
are you
Mary's Loch. Up, Callum!
Wait, tell me what road you're not going on up there.
I can't see it for you. I'm 5'8",
We're
mate.
up the hill.
Well, it's up that hill.
Not quite, but. Right, okay. Kelvin, man's trying to eat here.
Thanks.
Go, Shan, go.
Well, where do I need to go?
Right up his ass.
Oh, where?
Up his hoop.
He might test me and then I'll limp. For his car.
He's not going to go in there. Just something's got to stay. Whoa!
Stay where?
Whoa! Shannon, take it easy. Whoa! Why is this pitch so bumpy?
There's no pleasing you.
There is no in there. It's taking the boys so long, Shan. What's in front?
Kelvin, I think.
Maybe 4-car convoy now. Best car at the front.
Best car at the back.
No! 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 Hell no!
I believe I've turned the radio off and Callum's not even paid me for featuring.
Just speak nicely to him.
What?
Just speak nicely to him. Did it start paying you? Yeah? Look at that Venom's gapping, Mark. It's got him, Shan. It's got him.
That's probably because that Renault's not dodging the pebbles.
Yeah. The odd stone on the road. If I was Kelvin, to be fair, like I'd probably put that in that lock there. Reinsurance claim to get something reliable. What do you reckon, Shan?
He's just showing off his indicator because Mark's not even an indicator.
I know. Well, look at my wee sequential indicator there. Yes. That allure looks better actually.
So this is we are at.
You gotta talk louder because the mic's up here, big fella.
Alright. We are at. Oh, shit.
Oh, come on!
What's that? It's getting chilly, boys, sorry.
Sake.
So we're at Glen Cafe, St Mary's Loch Art Gallery.
Very nice.
Word for word.
Aye. So we are. And we just stopped off for a few pictures and videos. We should do a few flybys there. So aye, it was good. And aye, that's about it.
Aye, that's a bit.
I'm all out of words.
Banging scenery, mate. Shame Callum's in it.
Mate, I make it banging. Come at me. This doesn't actually put to scale the size of Kelvin.
Just his arms.
That's actually just a molehill. That's Kelvin.
You just called me a molehill.
No, I said that the comparison in height is that there behind you is actually only a molehill. And that's you.
Ah, very good.